The Mpow M30. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at a budget pair of earbuds, the Mpow M30. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user manual, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips along with ear fins. The M30 features 5 hours of listening time, 25 hours with the case, Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case has a compact capsule design and it's plastic all around. The Mpow branding is on the top and you have a glossy accent in the middle of the case. On the front of the case, you'll find the status LED. And on the back is the USB-C charge port. The lid has a nice snap when opening and closing, and it feels tight. The earbuds are secured by magnets and they're easy to remove from the case. You can see the ear indicators etched in inside as well. The earbuds have a simple design to it and it has an ergonomic shape. It has a matte finish all around and inside has the ear markings. And on the outer face, you have a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear fins and ear tips, charging contacts, microphone, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Controls for playback and calls are simple. It's just a few taps or long holds to get the desired function. The case comes in at 2.7 by 1.4 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 39 grams and the earbuds come in at 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation over the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mpow M30 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality was fair during calls, nothing exceptional. It was loud enough and other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side, and the pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Mpow M30. When it comes to comfort, the earbuds created a nice tight seal. It does require a slight twist to get them seated properly. They felt tight and secure, and there was good passive noise isolation. Touch controls are a plus since they don't add pressure into your ear canals. Build and quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable. I like the compact design of the case, and it's easy to carry around. Touch controls on the earbuds are responsive, and I had no problems navigating. Battery life is respectable at 5 hours and 25 total with the case. It has an IPX7 rating, so this will protect you from the elements. And it comes with a USB-C port for charging. Now when it comes to sound, these are definitely in line with the Mpow sound signature. Bass was not lacking at all. You get punchy, deep bass, and it definitely falls more on a warm sound signature. Mids and highs do stand out. It doesn't get drowned out by the bass, and I feel it's just right. Vocals and instruments come in clean and clear, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, I feel that these are worth the price if you are seeking a budget pair. The sound doesn't disappoint, and it can be used for active lifestyles or casual listening. So that is my review of the Mpow M30 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.